So Rodrigo, we're here in Caseiro in Newark,
Yes,
in your little kingdom,
on the Portuguese section,
on a little Portugal, right?
Little Portugal.
With all those amazing charcuteries that are your babies.
Yes,
Can you walk me through?
sure. We have much more than I'm presenting to you here, but
You said about 1,000 different
we have 1,000 different kinds of charcuterie. Yes, like from the north of Portugal, from Minho, which is north border of Spain, till Alentejo, which is south of Portugal. You see the difference right off the bat. You know, it's much more reddish than this one from Minho, from northern of Portugal. No, people that back then didn't have nitrates or nitrates to curing it, so they were using natural resources, bell peppers, paprikas, and wines. Not a lot of wine on this one here, just a bit of white wine. We have the jowls bacon right here, made out of the pig's jowls. That's from Alentejano pork, that's from our pork. So the blood, we would make blood sausage out of it. This actually is a dry cure salpicão, dry cure. We don't dry cure a lot in Portugal. This is more like a Rodrigo's craziness advance to trying to
You crazy?
accomplish something. So this is more from the mountains of Portugal, such as Serra da Estrela, which they're well known by the cheeses, but they used to make great sausage with it, with the thick intestines. You know, another one that is made out of blood, but more from the north of Portugal, with onion. They used to make, we call chorizo de cebola. It's onion sausage.
Yep.
Salpicão from the shoulders. We call copitas. It's more from Alentejo, Extremadura, Lisbon, through that area. It's amazing. And then, talking about hams, we have here our bride, you know. So this is Alentejano pork, pure, certified. And as you see it, we put the name on it. And we have the number 8 on it. So I actually know where the pig came from, who's the mother, who's the father, and what the pig had eaten. Age into it is about 3 years. Our chorizo.
I brought some home last time. I don't think it survived the day.
This one is really old. Look, minhoto. We call chorizo minhoto. It's from northern of Portugal.
It almost smells like olives.
Yeah.
Almost briny. It's my lucky day.
So then, you know, you would begin to take the skin out. This is just a regular ham from northern of Portugal. And then you want to slice as thin as you can. A slice of ham always, we should smell it.
So sweet.
Not salty at all. We don't oversalt our hams. We don't use a lot of sodiums. We use a level of minimum of salt we can. Do it again.
Start from here or you start?
You start where you finished, always.
Okay.
Push it, try to go into it a bit, and try to control. Yes, perfect. See?
Ta-da!
Look at that.